Indian rollers and European rollers are brightly colorful birds. The wings look stunning full during the flight. The breeding season is from March to June, when males and females form pairs. During courtship, mates perform aerial displays. Habitat and distribution. The Indian roller occurs widely from Iraq and United Arab Emirates, Indian subcontinent, Sri Lanka, Pakistan. This is not a migratory bird but takes some seasonal small travels. Agriculture and ecological importance. The roller acts as a vital biological pest controller. It consumes large quantities of crop damaging insects like grasshoppers, beetles, and locusts. This reduces to rely on chemical pesticides and supports agriculture ecosystem stability. Culture. This bird is also known as Nilakantha, as it is associated with the Hindu legends and said to be sacred to Vishnu and Lord Shiva as Nilakantha. Habitat and distribution. Europe, West Asia, Central Asia, western parts of India. It winters in Africa's dry savanna grasslands. Diet. The Indian roller is a carnivorous. Diet primarily consists of insects and small vertebrates, including small snakes, frogs and lizards, spiders, scorpions, and flying termites.